Hey guys, make sure to stay to the end of this video to watch my pillow talk and where I will be giving information and tips that could be very useful for your next trip to France. Morning guys. So we are here in Annecy, France, and yesterday was raining a lot, but look, it looked like it's starting to clear up. So hopefully things get better, you know, with the sky, so that way the sun can come out, and when we go and see the beautiful lake, it can look really blue like the way people usually see it in videos. So we're gonna go to a coffee shop to get one of those delicious lattes and a croissant, because that's like something you have to do here. You get a croissant, and I'm gonna be showing you guys prices and what things look like. Let's go. So I just ordered my latte, and we just found out that they ran out of croissants. I guess we came a little late. Those things go like hotcakes. The hotcakes? Those things go like hotcakes. The croissants out here. So hopefully my latte is really good. Oh look, there's the last croissant. Oh man. So good. The milk is so creamy. Strong coffee. It's got that slight coffee burnt in it. But to me, what makes it is the way the milk is. Very good. Oh my god, you guys, I love this beautiful little village. It's so pretty. I love the medieval architecture, the French architecture in it. It's so pretty, so beautiful. And I know you guys saw how beautiful that river looked. It's gorgeous. It's so clear. They said that Annecy, France actually has one of the most clearest lake and river and cleanest. So that's probably why it's so clear and beautiful. I'm gonna keep showing you guys a little bit more about this gorgeous town. So one thing to do here in Annecy, France is to literally just walk through the whole town, through the streets, get lost in the streets, because each street is so beautiful, so unique, with the colors, the way the windows look, the cobblestones, just beautiful. A lot of beautiful architecture design, French design, and medieval. Bonjour.
Alright.
Hey guys, so I hope you've been enjoying this beautiful tour of Annecy, France. If you have, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. This place is so beautiful. Look at this. And even without a lot of sun, you can see that the water is super clear and you can see how blue it is. So imagine when the sun is hitting it, probably looks like as blue as the ocean. Very beautiful. I love this place. I highly recommend it. It's on the top of the list if you want to come to like a beautiful medieval town in France. This is definitely it. Hey guys, so I like to point out that walking through the village in there, it's very easy to navigate, to just walk around, and literally as the streets, as you're walking around, you'll end up in the side of the lake, which is this. Is a beautiful park, as you can see behind me. And I didn't feel like I needed a GPS or anything. As soon as you get into the town, to the village, you'll be able to just walk, and it will literally take you straight to the lake, which where we're at now, to this beautiful park. It's a very big park, and a lot of the times in the summer when it's enough sun outside, people take a boat ride, they go into the lake, they go like more into the middle of the lake and stuff, and they swim in there because this lake is clean enough to swim in there. That's how clear it is. Look guys, look how beautiful that color. Look at that, so beautiful and blue and clean. That's why they say it's one of the most, I think it said it is the most cleanest lake in all of Europe, or one of the most. But it's very clear, so I highly recommend it. That right there is a beautiful swan. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't think I've ever seen one in person. Beautiful swan. So I like to point out that they have boats pretty much in like every session. They have some here, some over there, and then I remember seeing some over here. So that's where you would go to rent a boat to go in the lake and swim if you want to. But right now, because it's kind of cloudy and cold, I don't think anybody's going to be doing that. So this is the restaurant that we're going to eat in. over here. Here it is. So this is the meal that we got for my son. It was 11 euros for a good sized steak there and fries. So think about getting maybe a child's meal because that's a pretty big steak. And then here we have the fondue at 17 euros. And Nathaniel has the steak over there.
It looks magnifique.
It looks magnificent. Yes, so does my fondue. And that was 20 euros. So today's our splurge day. So I like to point out that the fondue is definitely way better than the one we had in Lucerne, Switzerland. This is way better. And as I was ordering it, on the bottom it said that they make it with wine and some other stuff. So that's probably why it's better. It's really good. So I highly recommend that you try fondue here in France, especially if you come to Annecy. Check this place out. I taste that wine. It tastes so good. And then it talked about on there, like I gotta, it's on the menu. Like when you guys look at the menu, look at the ingredients, everything that they put on this fondue, which is why it's so good. It's very delicious. Even Nathaniel's going at it. And he did not like the one in Lucerne, Switzerland. This is really good. Delicious. So the steak. The steak is very good. I like it better than Switzerland. Yeah. I like it a lot. Very good. I like the steak better here. It has more flavor than it did in Switzerland. These are the vegetables. They're very flavorful, the vegetables. Delicious. My fondue.
Oh, get you?
And it's interesting, the fondue comes with a little salad and it has like a little dressing on it. Oh my god, this dressing is so good. It's very good.
Give to us.
This is good.
Any details?
It's soft, it's light. It's sweet at the same time, but it's not too sweet. The burnt sugar on top is thin. Some places they make it thick. It's heavy. There's like a thick crust on top. It's
Thin,
very,
you mean?
huh?
Thin?
Yeah. Try it. So good.
Trying the creme brulee.
Right, it's light, it's not heavy. Some places make it heavy.
This is the view from the restaurant. because you could choose to sit outside and you'll get this incredible view. So I wanted to talk about that restaurant. I thought it was delicious. The fondue was amazing, like I said. They made it with wine, so it was really good. It was very flavorful. And the steak was also delicious, very good. And look guys, the sun's coming out, so excited. So that means this water is gonna look even more spectacular than what it is right now. It's a little blue still, but it's gonna get even better when the sun comes out. In our pillow talk tonight, I'll talk about the prices and how much it was at that restaurant, how much we ended up spending today, and how much this place was. Hey guys, and welcome back to another pillow talk. Okay, so in today's pillow talk, we're gonna be talking about all the things that we did today in Annecy. We did the fondue, which was really good. Well, to start off first, I want to talk about that. Yeah, it was supposed to rain and it didn't rain. Thank God we were able to sightsee the town. The water looked spectacular. I loved it. Then as soon as it started about to rain, like around 1 o'clock, we went for lunch, and it was actually a perfect time because most places in France here, they close at 2 p.m. So lunch consists from like 11 to 2. After 2 p.m. everything closes and it will not open back up till like 7 for dinner. So keep your mind on that. That's what's gonna happen. Keep a note of that. So lunch was really good. I really liked it. The fondue, I'll put the price right here because I don't quite remember on the top of my head, the fondue and the steak. I remember my son's meal being 11 euros, which wasn't too bad at all. Actually, I think the fondue was 16 euros, and Nathaniel's steak, which I split with him because he felt like it was enough. We both split both things, the fondue and his steak. His steak was 20 euros. So that was where we kind of like had a more expensive meal. And I always like to do that, when we go to a different city, experience, like the traditional eating style in that country, and that's very popular here, the fondue, just like it is in Switzerland. And as a matter of fact, it was way better, the one here, because they make it with wine, all the different kind of spices, and it looked more fatty, which, hey, if you're gonna have fondue, with cheese, that's fine. Let it be fatty. The fattier the better. It was really good. The steak was also good. I found it to be very flavorful. Nathaniel thinks that the one in Switzerland was better, but that's his opinion. My opinion was that I enjoyed the steak better here in France. Very good. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, so pretty much the whole day of, sightseeing the town and touring it and stuff like that, we spent money on my croissants, my coffee, which was 10 euros, plus the lunch. Nathaniel bought some pastries, which wasn't too much either, probably like about another 10 euros. That's really what we spent that day. And I thought it was enough. We went all around town, saw everything that I wanted to see. It was very beautiful. Took awesome pictures, videos you guys saw from this blog. It was very cool. So yeah, we didn't spend a whole lot. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this blog, and I hope you guys found some of these tips that I'm giving you useful. And I'm trying to keep a serious face because my husband's making funny dances over there trying to mess me up here. So I'm gonna catch you guys later in another vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this. Take care, guys.